되진 않니 I feel I'm hurt baby 다시 say it oh yeah 귀찮다는 시큰 누가 네 말투 나에게 표정 언제까지 여기 이렇게 oh In the clouds 생각을 돌이켜봐도 혼자 되뇌어봐도 추억을 돌이켜봐도 그때 우리를 봐도
I wanted to buy a specific Apple product for a long time. The initial plan was to order it online, but then the Apple store opened up in Mumbai and I was like, why not go to the store and actually buy it? Let's see how that experience is. And that's exactly what I did. I visited the Apple store in BKC in Mumbai and the entire experience of shopping over there was nothing short of amazing. You don't get any discounts or stuff, but you will get each and every Apple product over there. If you want a specific cable, a specific product, then you can get it over there, and that is kind of incredible. Apple TV is just like an Amazon Fire TV stick. Basically, you can connect it to any display which has an HDMI port. Once you do that, you get a custom OS by Apple called as TV OS, and using that OS, you can watch all your favorite content and do some other things as well. So it can be used in a non-smart TV or a smart TV or any display with an HDMI port, and that's what Apple TV is. I hope this makes it clear.
You didn't act like a friend that night.
Let's talk about 3 reasons why I feel that the Apple TV is the best and most useful Apple product out there. Reason number 1 is performance. Powering this Apple TV is the A15 Bionic chipset. Yes, the same chipset that we find in the iPhone 13. Because of this, the performance of Apple TV is just awesome. Everything is very fast, smooth, and does not lag at all. Like, the entire UI feels extremely smooth and fast. In fact, it is way better than Android TV or Google TV for that matter. Like, the difference in terms of performance is definitely noticeable. And we all know Apple, when they control the hardware and software, they do a great job, and that's exactly what they've done over here. You also get all the essential apps in the App Store: Netflix, Hotstar, Prime Video, JioCinema, Sony Live, etc. You also get a lot of games which are fun to play individually or with your family as well. To bottom line it, the performance and software experience of Apple TV is unmatched. Reason number 2 is connectivity. Now, if you already own Apple products like iPhone, iPad, Mac, then buying an Apple TV makes a lot of sense because everything works very well together. We know this fact about Apple, that they create a very good ecosystem, and Apple TV sits right in there. So if you want to directly cast the screen of your iPhone, iPad or Mac on your TV, then you can do that using Apple TV. It's very smooth and works flawlessly. You can also use your iPhone to calibrate the colors on your TV. This is a very interesting feature. So depending upon the environment and lighting in which your TV is, you can calibrate the colors using your iPhone. Not only that, you can easily connect your AirPods with Apple TV. Just open them up and they'll show up instantly. Press a button and they will be connected. Now you can watch all your favorite TV shows and movies using your AirPods. You can also use SharePlay if 2 of you are watching the TV simultaneously and want to use separate AirPods. So you get the point that connectivity and ecosystem wise, Apple TV makes a lot of sense. Reason number 3 is picture quality. This Apple TV supports an output up to 4K resolution. So basically you can use up to a 4K TV with this device. The picture quality and colors that you get out of Apple TV are better as compared to Android TV or even Google TV. I tried this out and the difference is noticeable. Like, before this I was just using Android TV, but as soon as I switched to Apple TV, the colors and picture quality were noticeably better. And also supports HDR and Dolby Vision content, so that is not an issue. You can watch all your favorite Dolby Vision and HDR content using Apple TV.
Alright, hi. So it's late night and I'm editing the video and I realized that I did not talk about one of the most important things about Apple TV, and that is the remote. The experience of using the remote is nothing short of amazing. It's an awesome remote, especially because of the touchpad. So you get a touchpad in the center using which you can navigate through the UI, and that experience is smooth AF. Like, it is extremely fluid and smooth. It's a very satisfying experience. And you also get a dedicated Siri button on the side of the remote, and you can use that to give voice commands to your TV. But I found that Siri is not that consistent. I would any day pick Google Assistant over Siri, and that's just a fact. Now the best part about this remote is that it charges via USB Type-C. The iPhone charges via Lightning, but the remote charges via USB Type-C. That is weird AF, but yeah, I would take Type-C any day over Lightning. So yeah, those were the points about the remote.
Now with all these awesome things being said, the Apple TV is still not perfect. Any tech product cannot be perfect, and Apple TV also has flaws, especially if you don't use Apple products. If you don't use Apple products, then Apple TV does not make sense for you. It only makes sense inside the ecosystem. And the price is definitely on the higher side. You can buy this Apple TV for 15,000 rupees, which is not cheap by any means. You can easily buy a Fire TV stick or an Android TV stick with good picture quality for like 1/3 of the price. So price is definitely on the higher side in this market. And as always with any Apple product, you don't get the freedom that you get with Android devices. Android devices are highly customizable. You can do a bunch of things in that, but Apple TV is not that free. You get awesome features, you can use them, but when it comes to customizability, Android definitely takes the win over here. So basically my point is that if you own a lot of Apple devices, then buying an Apple TV makes sense because it completes the ecosystem and offers you a lot of convenience. That's what the money is for, convenience. Honestly, I feel that it offers the best convenience out there for Apple users. If you want to buy the Apple TV, I will make sure to drop a link to it in the description box below. So anyway, that's been it. This was my very quick video on the Apple TV. Do let me know what you feel of this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go and hit that like button. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It will mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.